Hello, hello. We're gonna go shopping for fruit at Tamade, which is the most colorful supermarket that I've ever seen. Plenty of neon signs. You would almost think that it's a pachinko parlor, but it's not. If you look inside, there's fruit, vegetables, and food, and not noisy pachinko slot machines and smoke. Ikan, Dekopon, two of my favorite citrus fruits. We're in the sushi section. It's super cheap. Look at how cheap that is. But you like all the neon signs here? The seafood section. Derika, Obento. See what's over here. Look at all those lights. Agemono, so they have tempura, korokke, karaage, takoyaki. Ice cream. It's called Dava's Collection. Dava's Collection. Cookies and cream, vanilla, and strawberry must be the Dava's Collection. Okay, so here we have the meat section, chicken and beef. I like the cow and the pork and the chicken. Nice and neon. And over here we have some pickles. Lots of pickles. Pickles are great with gohan or rice, as well as seafood and meat as a little side. We also have plenty of miso. There's a very solid miso selection here. They have tobanjian, which is what we use for mapo tofu, Japanese style mapo tofu. And tenmenjian, which is a little different. It's not spicy, but you can also use it for mapo tofu. And this looks like, here's another tobanjian. And then over here, we have plenty of box kare, box mapo tofu, box stew. But we don't buy this stuff, we make it all from scratch. Alright, so we just finished our little excursion. I bought some dekopon, which is similar to an orange, maybe crossed with mikan or tangerine, I guess. So it's sweet and tangy at the same time, maybe a little bit tart. And then I also got some mikan. This is tangerine. So this is from Wakayama-ken, and this is from, looks like there's an Ichian coin stuck to my mikan. But two of my favorite fruits. This is what we're going to be eating for snacks. Alright, that was our little trip to the market. I hope you enjoyed it.